When we opened the restaurant, or before we opened it about 6 years ago, we decided to do our regional food, and one of the favorites were some food from the north of Jaffna, and one of them was the Jaffna crab curry. So to make it really authentic, we sort of had a look how it was done in Jaffna, Upari and myself, and then we tried to replicate the exact thing. The secret to it is the ingredients, the way it's cooked, plus fresh crab. We get it delivered every day. Fresh, and a lot of people say it's the closest they've come to authentic Jaffna crab.